Hey everyone, it's Professor Hatch. I am here to show you how to make perfect works cited or references pages. I'm way too lazy to make a video for each. It's the same thing. If you're in my 3060 class, it's a references page, and if you're in any other class, it's going to be a works cited page. One is APA, the other is MLA. Anyway, I want to show you how to do this. So I've got a Google Doc and I've got a Word doc. I'm going to share my screen real quick. Um, Actually, let me make sure I've got the right thing up. Yeah, I'm going to share my screen real quick. This is a Google Doc. I think probably it's a true statement that the vast majority of my students anyway use Google Docs over Microsoft Word, probably because it's free. Although Microsoft Word is free so long as you're a student. In any case, so this is how to do this in Google Doc. You'll notice that I've got just a shit ton of sources here. You'll never have to write anything that requires this many sources for my class. I just copied and pasted this off of the last thing I had to write for a doctoral program. Anyway, so I'm going to select all of these and I'm just going to hit Control A. You can of course do this manually where you like click up here and start dragging. That's tedious. I hate it. Just Control A, click everything. And there's two things you want to do here. One, these are not double spaced. So we need to start because everything on your essay should be double spaced. So up here where it says format, I am going to go to line and paragraph spacing. I'm going to select double. So starting with that. And then I'm going to make sure everything's selected again. And then again, I'm going to go to format and then align and indent. And then in this, I'm going to take this option down here that says indentation options. And under here where it says special indent, I'm going to select hanging. And I'm going to set that to 0.5 because the hanging indents need to be half an inch. And I'm just going to hit apply. And there you have just a whole lot of sources that all have hanging indents. This is beautiful. These are alphanumeric. We can tell where each new source starts because the second and third lines of all these sources, or the third and fourth lines, are all indented half an inch. This is exactly what I'm looking for with a references or works cited page. So this is great. Now I want to show you how to do this on a Microsoft Word doc. So let's pull up my Microsoft Word doc. Here we go. So once again, the same sources in a Microsoft Word doc. I'm going to highlight all of these. I'm going to right click on the text and select paragraph. Once again, I'm going to change the line spacing to double. And then I always put a check mark where it says don't add a space between paragraphs of the same style. You don't have to, it's just the thing I do. Now it's all double spaced. I'm going to highlight it all again. I'm going to right click, go back to paragraph. Up here where it says special, I'm going to select hanging indent. It automatically defaults to half an inch, which is perfect. And I'm going to hit OK. And there you go. That is, once again, the same exact thing as the Google Doc. You've got all these sources, they're double spaced. The second, third, and fourth lines are all indented half an inch. It makes it incredibly easy to read. And it is just that easy to do. So please, when you are submitting your essays, do this. It will make my life so much easier. If I can read, especially if you're writing a longer research paper, which might have, I don't know, 5 to 10 sources, maybe a little more, a little less. This will make my life a lot easier. And it also means I don't have to mark points off your paper for stupid formatting things, which is why I'm making this video. I hate marking people down for formatting because formatting is a stupid thing to lose points over. It's just so easy. Anyway, I'm going to put this on Canvas. I'm going to include the Word doc as a file you can look at. And if you have questions, obviously, as with everything else, text me on Remind 24/7 and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right. All right. Bye.